Do you feel scared when you try to speak English? You know the words in your head, but they do not come out. Your heart beats fast. You worry about mistakes. You think people will laugh. This happens to many learners. It makes you feel alone. You hide your voice. You stop trying. But today, we change that, slowly. It is okay to feel this way. You are not alone. Many people fear English speaking. I understand your fear. It is normal. Do not feel shame. You are brave for trying. Here, we go very slow. No one judges you. You are safe. Take a deep breath. Let the fear go. We learn together. Calm your mind. You can do this. Relax your body. Feel the peace. This video helps you. We practice gently. No rush. You will feel better. Slow listening and shadowing will help you. Your brain will calm down. You will understand English better. Speaking will feel easy. Your fear will go away. You will gain confidence. Day by day, you improve. Your voice will come out smooth. You will talk to friends. You will share your thoughts. No more blank mind. Your words will flow. This practice builds your skill. It is like a quiet friend. It helps without pressure. You will love English more. Your mornings will start happy. You will feel proud. Listen and repeat. That is all. It works for you. Now, let me tell you how to use this video. First, just listen. Do not speak. Sit calm. Hear the words. Let them enter your mind. Feel the slow speed. That is the first time. Second time, play again. This time, repeat after me. Say the words slowly. Copy my voice. Do it in a quiet place. No one hears you. If you miss a word, it is fine. Try again next time. No pressure. No need for perfect. Just enjoy. We do this to calm your brain. Practice like this every morning. It will help. Now we start the practice. Listen slow. Block 1. I wake up every morning feeling fresh. I wake up every morning feeling fresh. This means you open your eyes early. The day starts. You feel new and ready. No tired feeling. It is good for your mind. You smile at the sun. Your body has energy. This helps you start happy. I wake up every morning feeling fresh. Block 2. You are learning English step by step. You are learning English step by step. This means you improve a little each time. No big jumps, just small moves, like walking slow. It builds your skill. You feel no rush. Your brain takes it in. You get better without fear. You are learning English step by step. Block 3. The sky is blue and clear today. The sky is blue and clear today. This means you look up. No clouds. The color is nice. It makes you feel calm. The air is fresh. You can breathe easy. Nature helps your mood. You enjoy the view. The sky is blue and clear today. Block 4. I drink water when I feel thirsty. I drink water when I feel thirsty. This means your body needs it. You take a sip. It keeps you healthy. No dry mouth. Water is simple. It calms you. You feel better after. Do it every day. I drink water when I feel thirsty. Block 5. Speaking slow helps me think clear. Speaking slow helps me think clear. This means words come easy. No fast rush. Your mind stays calm. You say what you want. No mix-up. It builds your trust. You feel in control. Practice makes it natural. Speaking slow helps me think clear. Block 6. Do not worry about small mistakes. Do not worry about small mistakes. This means errors are okay. They help you learn. No one is perfect. Let them go. Smile instead. Your confidence grows. Keep trying. It gets better. Do not worry about small mistakes. You are halfway now. You did well so far. Stay calm. Keep breathing slow. No need to stop. We continue gentle. Feel the peace. You are safe. More practice waits. It helps your brain. Block 7. I listen to music to relax my mind. I listen to music to relax my mind. This means sounds make you calm. Soft songs. Your thoughts slow down. No stress. Music is a friend. It eases your day. You feel light. Try it often. I listen to music to relax my mind. Block 8. You can talk to friends without fear. You can talk to friends without fear. This means share your words. They listen kind. No scare inside. Your voice is strong. Friends understand. It makes you happy. Build bonds. Feel connected. You can talk to friends without fear. Block 9. Today, I choose to be happy. Today, I choose to be happy. This means you decide your mood. Smile inside. Let good feelings come. No bad thoughts. It is your power. The day goes well. You feel joy. Share it. Today I choose to be happy. Block 10. Reading books opens my world. Reading books opens my world. This means stories take you places. New ideas come. Your mind grows. No limits. Books are quiet teachers. They help English too. You learn words. Feel inspired. Reading books opens my world. Block 11. Take time for yourself every day. Take time for yourself every day. This means rest a bit. Do what you like. No busy rush. It keeps you strong. Your heart feels peace. You recharge. Be kind to you. It matters. Take time for yourself every day. Block 12. I believe in my own strength. I believe in my own strength. This means you trust yourself. Inside power. No doubt. You face things calm. It grows with time. Feel proud. You can do much. Keep going. I believe in my own strength. Block 13. Listening slow makes words stick. Listening slow makes words stick. This means hear clear. They stay in brain. No forget. It helps speaking. Your memory improves. Feel easy. Practice daily. It works. Listening slow makes words stick. Block 14. You deserve to feel confident. You deserve to feel confident. This means you are worthy. No low thoughts. Stand tall. Your skills shine. Believe it. Others see it. Your life brightens. Be gentle. You deserve to feel confident. Block 15. Tomorrow brings new chances. Tomorrow brings new chances. This means next day is fresh. Try again. No past worry. Opportunities wait. Feel hope. Your path opens. Keep eyes up. It comes. Tomorrow brings new chances. You made it to the end. This is good. Finishing helps your brain. Your mind remembers the words. It builds paths inside, like a quiet road. Each time you finish, it gets stronger. Your fear gets smaller. Confidence grows slow. No big change at once, but day by day. Your brain learns to trust. It calms down. You feel ready for more. This endurance is key. It trains your focus. No rush in learning. Slow wins. You build quiet power. Feel it now. You did this. Be proud inside. No loud cheers, just peace. Your brain thanks you. It rests better. Tomorrow you speak easier. This practice shapes you. Keep coming back. It helps always. Come back to Slow English Listening World. Listen every morning. We are here for you. Calm and slow. See you soon.